Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to our fifth writing prompt. Today we are going to be talking about how you interact with your family and friends now that we are staying home and staying self-isolated and quarantined during this time. So our writing prompt today is, who was the last person you saw in real life that doesn't live with you, and when did you last see them? So back when all of our lifetime was normal, when we could touch people and it was totally fine to interact with others, who was the last person that you saw and what was that like and when did you see them? Was it, just going on a walk with a friend? Was it hanging out with a neighbor? Was it or riding the bus home with somebody? Who was the last person you saw in real life before all of this happened, and what were you doing? Our brainstorming question today is, what ways do you communicate with your family and friends now? And do you think that you'll continue to contact them this way when life goes back to normal? So we're doing a lot of Zoom calls in my family, and I honestly think that when life goes back to normal, we will continue to do Zoom calls just to contact each other more. But I also think I will find time to go see my family members in person more often, because now that I can't see them, I want to see them even more. So after you watch the video, go to your memoir writing, write down prompt number 5. Who were the last people you saw in real life and what were you guys doing? And then turn it into me so I can comment and give you feedback. And then last but not least, your brainstorming question, please type that in the comment section below. All right, that's it for writing prompt number 5.